Let's understand how to pay an invoice using a self-print docket check. Once an invoice has been approved and its status changes to ready to pay, you can begin the payment process. To pay an invoice, click the drop-down next to the amount and select Pay by Self-Print Docket Check. You can also open the invoice and choose the same payment option from either the ellipsis on the top right corner or the Generate Payment button in the bottom right corner. If there are multiple unpaid invoices for the same vendor, you can choose to pay one or more at a time. Make your selection and click Continue. Now, review the payment details carefully, including the receiver's name, check amount, and payment address. You can also view past payments and related documents from the same sidebar. Once everything looks correct, click Generate Check. Once generated, your self-print docket check will automatically download to your computer. This is your official check, which you'll need to print and issue it to your vendor. Make sure to print the check using your local printer settings. Printing through browser settings can cause misalignment, and the bank may reject the check. You can also request checks without the default digital signature by contacting your account manager or Docyt Support. To view the same check later, go to Paid next to all invoices and locate your paid invoice. Open the drop-down next to the amount and click View Check. This displays the same self-print check that was downloaded earlier. You can re-download this self-print docket check anytime. If you need to cancel a self-print check, you can void it in Docyt for accounting accuracy. Click the drop-down next to the amount and select Cancel Payment. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Click Cancel Payment to void the check. You can also cancel the check when you're viewing it. Click on the ellipsis on the top right corner and select Cancel Payment. The same confirmation pop-up will appear here as well. Click on Cancel Payment to void your self-print docket check.